Want to clone your voice in just 1 minute? In this video, we're looking at how you can do exactly that using FineVoice, a powerful tool from FineShare. FineShare is an all-in-one AI platform designed for creators, and today we are focusing on their AI voice cloning tool. To get started, you just head over to FineShare.com, navigate to their FineVoice tool, and select AI voice cloning. The process is incredibly simple. You upload a quick sample of your voice, and within 60 seconds, the AI generates a digital clone that you can use for text-to-speech, custom voiceovers, and creative projects. Beyond voice cloning, FineVoice also offers a real-time voice changer, an AI voice designer to build custom voices from scratch, and text-to-speech in natural-sounding tones. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, it is incredibly fast, highly accessible for beginners, and lives inside a massive ecosystem of other cool tools, like Singify for AI music and Vora for AI video. On the downside, because we don't have a large database of independent user reviews for this specific tool yet, we have to be realistic. The final quality of your cloned voice will heavily depend on how clean and clear your original recording is. Since we can't rely on outside reviews just yet, we highly recommend trying their free tier to test the voice accuracy for yourself. Overall, FineShare offers a remarkably fast and fun way to experiment with voice cloning. Head over to FineShare.com to try it out and let us know in the comments how accurate your cloned voice turned out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials.